Cheers. So, Direction Plus here. If you've seen on one of my last videos, did installation on the Direction Plus pre-line fuel filter. So far it's worked like a treat. I've had no issues, and I go absolutely anywhere now to fill up my car with the confidence. And this is not sponsored absolutely at all. We don't get anything from them. This was from the 4x4 show that we had in Melbourne that we attended. We've got a lot of show bags. We ran it everywhere asking for stickers and any gifts that they could give us. And this is something that I picked up. We're not sponsored whatsoever. I just believe in their product.
They were actually really good though.
They were. You know what? Very informative. Yep. Happy to chit chat. Told them about the install video. They had a look at it and they were pretty happy with it as well.
Had a hiccup with the Hoyer one, and they were happy. Yeah. More than happy just to go. Yep, here's the new one. Take it.
So when we actually had the, if you've seen in the previous video on the install, we had the Hoyer car, which was the Hilux, where we started the video on, and then we've moved over to the MR Trident instead. What happened was the filter for the Hilux, when we were trying to release it, or try to open it up so we could lube the top part of the sill of the filter, it wouldn't open. I've used all my might. I've clamped it in on the bench. I've twisted it. I've used a fuel release torsion kit. Everything would not come off. To the point where it actually dented the filter itself. When we've seen them at the show, we've shown them a video of what happened, and they've just gone, here you go, brand spanking new one, no further questions asked.
You didn't have to ask.
No. We didn't even ask them for one. We just said, oh hey, this is an issue that we came across.
Yeah, that was cool. Yeah.
What do we do to rectify it? Yeah. They were stunned by it. It was a one-off fluke. It just happened to be one of the ones that we got. And they've just, without even asking, swapped it straight over for us. So with that sort of customer service, I mean, you can be pretty confident.
10, sure.
Oh, 100%. But you'd be confident knowing that you've got your warranty backing behind you. These guys will look after you. So Direction Plus would be the way to go. Catch cans and fuel line filters. So fellas, what can we expect next on the next video? What do we?
Sunday.
We're
doing installation.
Installation on
the Raptor.
On the Raptor, yep. So we got a Ford Raptor 2021 model. 22 model. Yep. My apologies. And we're going to be doing installation. Correct me if I'm wrong, of the rear bar. Is that right?
Rear, front, whatever we feel like really, because we've got obviously we've got the trip now.
What do we got for the rear bar? What brand are we looking at?
We've got the Hammer series for that one.
Yep. And the front is being. I'm going to get the same. As well. Yeah, beautiful. So we're going to do an installation of the Hammer rear bar to Raptor. Cross collision sensors or anything like that? Any sensors that we have to? Rear
sensors, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
That'll be something to fidget with and something to consider. So
yeah, easy. All right, well,
not Alex's first rodeo.
Lane detection modules.
Yeah, so there'll be one on each side and then 4 parking sensors. So that's what we're going to be looking at in the next video. So for Raptor, if that's what you've got, stay tuned. Or if you're just interested in how will bars sort of get fitted, then stay tuned and we'll have that up in the upcoming week. It's going to be installed for this Sunday, so the video should pop up next 7 days or so.
Small one.
This is a 4-wheel drive, guys. Kodak moment, mate. They're going to get a photo.
I can't believe.
Dead set. It's a time that no rods are moving or anything that a fish has popped up.
They have the lines tangled as well.
Yeah, so there's a line tangled on her. Oh no. Yeah.
Small one.
Bloody hell.
How's that line tangled?
Rods that have been in the water today. That's the only push. But it's caught. On you, mate.
There you go. Mate, that is fucking lovely.
Here I was about to pack up. Bit of adrenaline running. Might have a second cast.
Alright, buddy.
Grab the axe.
souvenirs. We're going to pack up camp now. We're going to head over to the garage and we're going to start working on the Ford Ranger. Installing the rear bumper. See you there.
Let's go.